Hello guys and welcome to the Wise Ways channel. In today's episode you will watch all kinds of encounters that drivers recorded on dashcam. All clips used in this episode are for educational purposes only. White SUV driver missed the turn, so he tried to switch lanes without looking and made 4-car accident. Driver lost control of the vehicle and ended up in opposite lane. Even though it looked like bad driver on the road, this guy was reversing so he could support kids who were selling lemonade. Driver almost gets T-boned by police officer who was fortunately paying attention. This biker said that he is usually very patient for driver's errors, but when someone deliberately uses their car to bully him on motorcycle, then he gets very angry. Check out what happens next. Driver did U-turn over 3 lanes and made a pretty big mess on the road.
Oh, that's why. Are you okay? Yes.
What in the holy Wow.
Dumb, bro. Wow. Oh my god, you moron.
This is one of those unusual road rage moments. Check it out.
Hey, the guy ran into me, you
What's that?
I said the guy ran into me, you I was checking to see if my car was standing.
I agree with you. What?
Okay.
How does that have anything to do with me or
Like
why?
a asshole, though.
So I'm an because I continued on with my day with something that didn't involve me.
Flew around me like a asshole. It's a accident.
I agree, and I hope you're okay.
Just calm down.
I'm calm. You're the one chasing me down, calling me an asshole. How about go yourself?
You go yourself.
I'm pretty good at that, actually. Want help? There we go. Let me get the gun.
Go back. You have to go back. Nope. Back, 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 back. This is your... No. Nope. That one shoots right in your face. Congratulations, you're calling the cops.
Driver in white SUV thought that he's smarter than anyone else and used emergency lane to avoid traffic, but he got proved wrong.
Calm down. Dele. ¿Llevas prisa? ¿Llevas prisa?
Red light! What are you doing, woman? Jesus Christ! That was close.
Holy
That's
Whoa!
what was that? Kind of blind us?
speeding driver gets reminded that speed limits still exist. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to comment down below on which clip you like the most. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.